What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the madness. Today we're going to be talking about FM synthesis and how to do it on the Yamaha Montage. And this can also be applicable to software type synthesizers as well. So let's just get right into this thing and show you what I'm talking about. Whoop. So here we are in front of the main screen on the Montage. So you can see that I'm playing a traditional, just init normal FMX thing here. So if we go to category search and we go to init and then normal FM and click home, now we're in basically the template of a normal frequency modulation type of scheme. So now we can go in here, click this and click edit. First thing I would do is go straight to the algorithm. So instead of general, go to algorithm, which is right there. And then begin by kind of scrolling through these algorithms. You can kind of see what's what, right? And you can see as you keep on going, the more complex they can get. But what you really got to know about these algorithms is at the bottom of the box right here depicts all of the carrier frequencies. Now, the carrier frequencies, what they really are depicting is the main sources of the frequency content of the signal, right? A carrier is your car, whereas a modulator is kind of like what gear you're in your car. So instead of having any modulators on this one, algorithm 1 is all carriers because all 8 operators are on the bottom of the box. So if I go to, say, algorithm 15, you can see 1, 2, 6, and 8 are the only carriers, but within the other ones, 4, 5, 7, and 3, those are all modulators. And then on 3 specifically, you can see slightly that it has a little loop back feature. So it has some feedback associated with it. So let's just use this one and then see what happens. So we've got it on algorithm 1 or 15 for this one. So let's just go over to operator 6, because right now all of the operators are set to 0. So if I set it to 6, set 6 to up, this is what you get. So relatively boring tone, right? But if you go to coarse, drop this down. Drop it in volume a little bit. If you increase the coarse, just by, so that's what that's doing. It's increasing the frequency. You can do the fine sets too. And then if you want, you can change the frequency attack. So if you go here and you increase this up to, like, say 25, and then you do the attack over here, it's going to sound like it's increasing in frequency over a small amount of time. That's the attack. Kind of sounds like bubbles. And so you can tinker with the attack and whatnot right there. The attack level being the level at which it's going to increase. The decay is the other side of the triangle. So if I were to go to here, go to 50, decay to 50, we got an evenly spaced triangle, increase the attack, and now you've got a small, like, kind of up and down sort of sound. And then you can change the spectral content of it by going all harmonics, odd harmonics. And let's just check out, we'll see what odd sounds like. And so you can kind of get those kinds of sounds going on right here. So let's go ahead and reduce this a little bit. And then if you go to level, you can change the level envelope. So the level envelope tells you how the sound, the level of it is gonna change over time. So right now it's got the attack set to 0. So if I were to go and move this over to 25, you'd notice. Get rid of this attack real quick. Don't need this. Now if we increase this attack some more, see how it's, when you press it, it doesn't immediately come in. And you can do that with all these different attacks. So if you increase or drop the decay to like 65 here, increase the decay, you're moving this over. Increase this, drop this, you're moving that. Bank and hold, you're increasing the start and the finish. Increase that, And then if you do this, you're increasing that side. So then if you want, you can just increase this, make it go down. And so that's what's going on there. So now if you want, you can change your breakpoint about when this operator in particular is going to start kind of giving off by changing this right here. And then you can just type. So for me, I'm just going to leave it as C3. So that's what you can do there. Then you can change the level of velocity. So basically, the harder you press on your keys, the more it's going to give you. So it's going to give you more of this operator. Now, we've kind of got something general kind of formed on operator 6. Now we know that 3 is a modulator to operator 4, and 4 is a modulator to 5. So let's just do 5 real quick, increase 5. So let's go ahead and change the attack right here to a little bit longer, like 45. Let's change this frequency attack, increase that or increase that to like 30, decrease this to -20, and decay to like 15. Change this up. And then we know that 4 is an operator to 5, or a modulator to 5. So if I want, I can just go ahead and copy paste this over, right? So if I just go to Shift and Edit, and now I can carry operator 4 over to operator 5. So now operator 5 is the same exact thing as operator 4. And then 3 has feedback. So let's go to 3. Go ahead and give that a little bit of an attack increase. Go to form, increase the course up to 4. And then maybe give it some attack as well, up to like 42. Let's go ahead and increase this up to like 35. And then maybe we want some decay. Maybe we want a long decay. Or we maybe increase this up to 70. So now you can kind of hear it's going up over time, right? And so that's kind of the deal behind FM synthesis, is you're essentially adding carriers, you're adding modulators to different parts of the signal, and the signal has feedback, which you can use to adjust the sounds of different operators. So you can see that operator 3 has the feedback. It's got a long input, so the signal itself is going to be adjusted by 4. And it's also going to be adjusted by 5 and 6. So 5, 6, 3, and 4 are all kind of along the same path, but 6 is the main carrier of all of the changes done by operators 4, 3, and 5. So, and of course you can change these operators with controls and everything like that. But I think this is a good intro. So if you want to save this one, right, you can just go to Shift Store, and then you can change it right here, Store as a new performance, and you can just change the name. Maybe just say like Boost, you know, and now it's in here. Now if I go to category search, it's right here under Boost. You can hear what other ones I've made. And so that's what's going on here. Either way, I hope you guys got something out of this. This is just the beginning of what I'm going to be doing with the Montage. I just wanted to kind of get you guys warmed up to some of the content that's coming in the future, and especially in the new year. So I really hope you guys got something from this. If you did, like, subscribe. If not, hit like twice, but I'll catch you all on the flippy floppy, y'all. Ciao for the next time.